Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volvo XC70 and this is a 2007-2008 model, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the headlight. So it's quite easy to remove the headlight on this car, and you can then access all the bulbs that you need to replace. So rather than going from the back here, you just get the headlight out and happy days, you can access all the bulbs. So I'm gonna have a look at this side here. That's exactly the same on that side. So to remove this headlight, basically removing the headlights in this car is quite easy actually. You just pull on these bits here, got one there and one there, and magically the headlight comes out. Obviously a little bit easier with two hands. I want to drop this, but we have a connector here we need to disconnect. If you put a screwdriver in there, it will push the clip down and you can then get that switch out. It's a little bit difficult to pull it out, so slowly but gently, so try not to break it, try to push it out a bit. You may have come out a little bit actually already, so try to push it back here. I don't want to break anything. Right, okay, it's coming out, and there's your entire headlight. Okay, so here we have our headlight. If you don't want to scratch the screen there, put something, maybe like a rag underneath. These headlights are a little bit rough, so I'm not too concerned. Right, so we need to take this little cover out to access the bulbs. So if we move this to one side, and also if you press on that, we can actually pull this cover here and then take this out. That gives us access to the bulbs here, and I think in here we have access to the indicator bulb. So there is our indicator bulb there. To remove it, press it down, twist it, and open it. I can't really see the number on that. It says, I think, H. Well, I can't really see it, to be honest. So anyway, if you have a faulty one, remove it, take it to the shop and buy one, or have a look online. If it looks the same, it probably will be the same. And then that just goes back in there. And from what I can see, it can only go in one direction. So let me have a look. There. Next we have that bulb there. Again, pull that out, and that's the bulb. So that looks like a H7. So that's just spring, sort of spring loaded in there. So these two things are like springs, not spring loaded. I mean held by springs there. So you just pull it out to remove it basically, and also the connection. You can just pull the connection out. And then we have another one in there. That one may be a little bit more tricky to get your hand in, but I think That one you can maybe twist it to take it out. Okay, so you can actually see an arrow there showing you which way to open this, but it might be a little bit hard, so I got a long nose pliers here to help me twist that. There we are. So twist, and then you can take it out. Technically you're supposed to be able to do that with your hand, I suppose. Anyway, let's get this out, and that's the bulb there. And this is Philips H9, it says in there. Philips H9. And that's it. So you just need to basically unplug it, take out the little clips on the sides here, one there, unplug that, change your bulb, and refitting will be reversal of removal. So might be a little bit fiddly to do that with one hand, so I'm just gonna put it back in. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I had to play with that for a little while. I mean, not too long, a few minutes to get it in. And that's pretty much it. That's all your bulbs in there. So then we can get our cover back here, clip that in there, put this back on. I should clip on there. Okay. And have the little cover here as well. That there clips in there. Okay, that's it. This headlight could do with some help, but anyway. Then we can just fit this back, plug the wiring, so you really have to make sure it clicks in. Okay, sorry, I had to use my two hands. Pull it in properly until it clicks into place, because it's got like a rubber seal around it, and then we can fit our headlights back in here like so. Now we have this, and they go in here secure headlight in place. So I just need to make sure it's in properly and then push that down. And that's it. That's locked. Now just want to make sure the lights are coming on. Technically the lights should be on. Okay, all the lights are on, except this side is not on. I did have this side out as well, so perhaps I didn't push the plug back in properly. So anyway, that's something I'm gonna have a look at in a minute. But as far as doing that, that's pretty much it. It's fairly simple. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.